it is not guaranteed that always you are going to develop a separate product for a customer need. You might end up having multiple solutions clubbed together and a lot of integration created in between among them to provide a solution. The best example is Google itself, right? Google Drive actually. See, Google Drive will allow you to create Google Sheets, Google Docs, everything. It is the integration of everything there, right? Okay. Now, to show you this example, solutions or systems internally grouped, wherein you have ABC Corp, let's say that's the company, which have three other portfolios. We spoke about portfolios, and that one portfolio is again divided into three different product lines. Each one of them have three products altogether. But so now this company called ABC Corp have 9 products with them. Okay. But they have a customer who needs a particular solution. How do they achieve that solution? By integrating product 1 and 2 of your product line 1. Okay. Product 6, 1 and 3 of your product line 1, product 6 of product line 2, and product 8 of this. You're clubbing all of this. When I say clubbing, it's not just you're saying that all three are there, you go and use it. No, all four are there, you go. That's not how it works. How it works exactly is integrating multiple products and services into one solution to us. For example, a data from product 1 has to go into data from product 3, can go into product 6 and product 8. So this is all clubbed towards providing one specific solution.